Before you begin, remove any rust or old paint layers. Next, clean and degrease the surface around the scratch. Tape off an ample area around the surface. Apply the primer in several thin layers. Next, lightly sand the surface. After this, clean and degrease the surface again. Use the MOTIP Color Search app to find the right color. Apply the lacquer in several thin layers and let it dry well. Next, apply 2 overlapping layers of clear lacquer. Use Spot Blender if needed and let it dry thoroughly.